The province and the Ontario Pharmacists Association confirmed that while pharmacies were strategically picked in hotspot communities and the shots are intended for local population, it doesn't actually prevent anyone from outside those targeted areas from booking an appointment. Starting today, anyone in Ontario aged 18 or older can get the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine.
This is a step in the right direction. The faster we can get people vaccinated, the quicker we can end the pandemic.
58 pharmacies across 5 regions, including Hamilton, were selected to begin administering the Moderna vaccine. Meanwhile, 78 pharmacies in Toronto and Peel can give the Pfizer shot to anyone 18 or older. The pharmacies selected are in hotspot communities, but Ontario Pharmacists Association CEO Justin Bates says those who book appointments don't have to live there.
No postal code is checked at the pharmacy. That said, pharmacists should be using their professional judgment. It is intended for local populations, your patient population and surrounding area and community.
A spokesperson for the Ministry of Health says, "We urge individuals to continue to follow the stay-at-home order and to get vaccinated in their own public health unit. To ensure that we use every vaccine dose, we strategically located pharmacies directly in hotspot communities to provide easy access to local residents." 4 pharmacies were chosen in 2 Hamilton hotspot postal codes. There's Sherman IDA Pharmacy and Stonechurch Pharmacy in the LAW area, and the Rexall and Shoppers Drug Mart in L9C.
The province says that the vaccine supply in May is pretty solid, 800,000 doses per week, and then scaling up to 940,000 by the end of the month. So in your estimation, what is the vaccine supply like now?
So there will continue to be more demand than there is supply, at least in the near term, which means we will have to manage wait lists and do our best to manage those expectations.
Each pharmacy is receiving 150 shots per week. And like many of the other eligibility rules, this 18-plus expansion does have some nuance.
In the other age categories, it was you could turn that age in that year. But because the product is approved for 18 plus, we would be off-label use if we went to someone who was 17, as an example.
Now, the Ontario Pharmacists Association have been pushing for this change for weeks to line up with pop-up or mobile vaccine clinics in targeted hotspot communities with lots of essential workers. And unlike the Pfizer vaccine, which when thawed has a 5-day window to get used, the Moderna vaccine lasts for 30 days.